After you have imported your data from PastPerfect 4.0, you will open up to the main menu of PastPerfect 5. You may notice that the design of the screen is different. PastPerfect 5 has expanded the access to the more commonly used buttons of the program by adding them directly to the main menu. On the left-hand side of the screen are the Collections and Activities sections. From here, you will be able to enter into the four main catalogs: Objects, Photos, Archives, and Library, as well as Accessions, Temporary Custody, Incoming and Outgoing Loans, and the Deaccession Catalog. The right-hand side of the screen contains the Development section of the program, including access to the Contacts database, Contact Lists, Pledges and Receipts, and Campaigns. Below the Development section are buttons for optional features such as the Inventory Control Upgrade, PastPerfect Online, and Virtual Exhibit. Depending on the optional upgrades that you have purchased, these options may or may not be accessible. At the bottom center of the main menu, you will see sections for Research, Reports, People and Sites, and Backup and Reindex. The Research button not only includes the queries and searches you are familiar with PastPerfect 4.0, but also includes a new feature called Catalog Lists. Under the Reports section, we have included a new button for direct access to Report Maker. We will work through how to use Catalog Lists and Report Maker in later chapters of this CD. The Backup and Reindex section gives you quick access to back up your data to the hard drive, CD or DVD, or removable drive directly from the main menu. Creating PastPerfect backups ensures that the data entry that you and other staff and volunteers have worked on is kept safe. PastPerfect encourages you to make backups of your data to the hard drive each day that you work in the program. Backups to CD, DVD, or removable drive can be done approximately every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the frequency of your data entry. Reindexing your data does not have to be done every day. PastPerfect recommends reindexing your data after updating your software, if sorting your records ever becomes inconsistent, to permanently delete records from your recycle bin, or if the program or a PastPerfect support staff member instructs you to do so. If you are on a network, it is important to make sure that your computer is the only one that has PastPerfect open at the time of reindexing. The reindex screen needs full access to all of the files in PastPerfect. If someone is still in the program, the reindex will not be successful. Last but not least, in the top portion of the main menu, we have the Setup button on the left and the Utilities button on the right. The Setup button includes sections for setting up your authority files, Browse screen, Contacts, Main menu, as well as selecting the fields for the Query and Report Maker options. The System Parameters and the Workstation Settings options replace the General Information screen, allowing you to change the settings both across your network and on your own workstation. The Utilities options include importing and exporting, global updates, the new recycle bin, and system information. More information about the main menu can be found in chapters 2 and 3 of your PastPerfect User's Guide.